Welcome back to News 2 at 4 as we continue to cover Helene and now Milton and all of the tragedy and destruction associated with it. So happy to have Ambassador Tom back in the studio with us representing the Red Cross as we talk about everything your organization has been doing to support the people and what we can continue to do to help. So thank you so much for being here today.
Absolutely. And as usual, I want to thank Channel 2, not only for the blood drives that y'all host for us, but I was just checking your website before I came in. And your website has totaled over 3,100 donors to the tune of $385,000. And so we can count on two all the time, and that is just tremendous. But what we are doing, and now obviously we have the Helene contingency operation right now. Yesterday, Helene alone, we were supporting 203 shelters with over 2,200 volunteers. And we're in the process of calling up 1,600 more volunteers for Florida. And last night in Florida alone, we hosted in the shelters 83,000 evacuees.
It's just staggering numbers, and it doesn't seem like it's going anywhere anytime soon. I mean, these are people who still need our support, and we do have that QR code that we flash up throughout the show that he's talking about that directly supports the Red Cross. But tell us a little bit, Tom, you know, when we talk about how to support in times of disaster like this, there's lots of grassroots, small sort of giveaway, help out types of things we see online. But the Red Cross is a name we can trust and really count on in times of crisis.
Absolutely. And one of the biggest things that we're having to do right now is supply food. We literally have feeding routes right now throughout North and South Carolina where our emergency response vehicles literally load up, and then with assistance with the military and things like that, literally are driving in to feed people. Yesterday, I believe the total was over 560,000 meals we had given out. And so, but you can also come to the Red Cross if you need to locate a loved one. You can go on redcross.org/Helene, actually, fill out a form if you are trying to find a loved one. So we have various things we can do. But if you are local and you want to make a difference, one of the things we're experiencing right now is a lot of blood drives have canceled, and throughout Florida, North Carolina, Georgia. And so, you know, get on redcrossblood.org, find a local drive, you know, and go donate, because not only are you going to save a life, but some of the revenue from those blood sales go to our humanitarian missions as well. That's
wonderful to hear. Last time I was with you was at a blood drive, and it was amazing to see the second he mentioned for people to come out, the immediate response. We know the Low Country has such a giving heart. So he's going to stick around and join us again in our 5 o'clock show. We'll talk more ways you can give. Thank you for sharing those numbers with us. It's great to know that we're doing a little bit to help out, and we'll send things over to Rob right now. He's keeping an eye on the forecast for us back here at home. Hey, Rob.